The National Road Safety Council has joined the call for tougher action against animal owners following a series of deadly accidents in Westmoreland. 2 persons, including a police constable, were killed last week after crashing into stray cows in Little London. Others have been hospitalized in serious condition. Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucien Jones, told our news centre that the issue is of major concern.
When you look at it, there are only 4 ways that we can deal with this kind of problem. The most immediate one, of course, is to deal with those who are roaming the streets with their animals without any permission. So the authorities in Westmoreland must find a way very quickly to get to those owners of the cattle, the cows especially, who are causing immediate problem. The second thing is, and third and fourth, those are long-term things. You can build pounds, and you can take off the animals, but that's going to take a long time to happen. And I was on another program, and there are measures being introduced to improve the efficiency of the pounds, but that's long-term. Or you can put in fences along the roads, which is happening on our highways, and the main reason for which we have stray animals all over the place. Or, of course, you can encourage, and we will encourage people to look out for animals on the roads. But you can't put the burden of the owners only on the road user.
And the police say they intend to take action against owners of stray animals in the parish.